Hey, hi there, Capricorn. Welcome to my channel. I'd like to thank you for tuning into those energies and influences that are coming through for your weekend reading, September 6th to the 8th of 2019. Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. This is a condensed general reading. Please only take those portions that resonate with you. Okay, Capricorn, off camera to save time, I've done a protective blessing. I've meditated over and shuffled these cards just for you. Your first card, it's the general atmosphere. It's the background and the basis of the matter. The Four of Pentacles, Capricorn. This is earth energy, which you're quite familiar with. It's your element. This is a card of holding on. It's being defensive in your comfort zone. You're conserving and being cautious and trying to remain stable and balanced. Could be a fixed attitude that may limit and block new opportunities. But you're trying to save and be cautiously protecting your money and your boundaries. Now the advice is to go with the flow. Your foundation is firm. You're holding back on something. You might be stuck in a rut. But nothing ventured is nothing gained, and holding on to your gold can apply to anything. Like that you're risking nothing, nor do you gain anything. This can apply to anything you hold dear, as well as being a miser with your love and emotion, as well as money. You might need to take a risk and get things moving again. Bragging or fawning will not get you ahead, so be patient and cultivate your best talents. The advice is to be generous in your wealth and spirit. You may become in danger of becoming too stingy or holding on too much to feelings and not letting go. Remember, all you are unable to give possesses you. Second card, this is the energy that's crossing over your path. The Knight of Wands, Capricorn. This is fire energy. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. This is a message or a communication coming in. It could be the coming or going of a matter. It also is a card of travel. This is a little faster than the other nights. Could be also a change of residence. This journey could be an adventure or messages. This is immigration or quick departure. Knights are younger in spirit, if not age, than the king or queens, and they're less established in life. They're full of eagerness and self-confidence, and yes, they do not always know where they're going, and without concrete plans, they can burn out before they achieve their goals. This is someone that might be riding towards an encounter, more likely a joust rather than a fight. Knights are messengers and travelers, and they bring good news concerning work or social activities, and his glad tidings may relate to almost any anticipated happy event. The journey, the vacation, that change of residence or job, could even be an engagement or a marriage. Your third card, and this is how it affects you. This can be your attitude. The Ace of Pentacles, Capricorn. Earth energy, a brand new healthy beginning. Aces are always gifts from life, a gift from the universe. Pentacles, referred to as diamonds or discs, represent money and fortune and trade. It is a suit of the merchants. The Ace of Pentacles is prosperity and a healthy beginning. New money, new success, and new opportunity. It's the beginning of gain and pleasure and beauty. This is an opportunity for real growth, the beginning of a new project, a birth, a chance to improve your health, a gift you can use to invest in future gain. This can be a new job opportunity or a chance for promotion. It's a good time to start improving your home or begin building the foundation for the future. And you'll benefit by spending time in nature. You can find fresh inspiration. Do not overlook this gift. It needs to be nurtured to come to fruition. It just does not land in your lap. And you're about to experience some great accomplishment, and money can be found to begin a new enterprise. You could be recognizing your calling as your fate and chance. Each one of us is uniquely good at something. This is saying yes to love, and it's a positive reward for hard work. Could be receiving a lump sum of money or a gift. Also stands for worldly status and achievement. So ground yourself through proper nutrition, exercise, and rest and leisure activities. And in love, this is that fresh start. and you will feel blessed and secure in this relationship. And through work or business, this is a grounding influence. You're feeling motivated and you're ready for a challenge. This can be luck and recognition. And now your fourth card. It's the position of the future. It's the outcome, the results, and the advice. Number 7 of the major arcana in the Rider-Waite deck, the Chariot. This can be a Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Doesn't have to be, though. This card represents triumph and success and control over the forces of nature, thus having triumph over ill health, as well as money difficulties of any sort. This is also control over your own lower animal passions with a clear sense of purpose. This can indicate travel and comfort. It's mental and physical powers that lead to fulfillment and putting commitment to the test. Could be a struggle or conflict of interest, so you'll need to steer a middle course through opposing feelings and thoughts and desires. This is control and momentum, willpower and determination. This is a favorable card and victory is assured. This is a conquest of mind over emotions. It can also indicate your car or transportation. This is someone who is victorious over the external problems of life. They have a confident personality. This can be a fight for self-assertion with action and determination. It's overcoming obstacles and clearing of the path to victory and your desires. It's also swift action in reaching your goals. It's a positive and quick result on the way. It's mastery over opposing forces, so go with the flow and use firm resolve and stay on the course you've set for yourself. This can also represent assistance is on the way and creating a firm foundation on which to pursue your desires. This is soul tests and advancements and movement fueled with planning and willpower and waiting for conditions to be perfect. But when are they ever? So you're ready to move forward, and this is that little extra push that you can fix any trouble that arrives. Just remember, do not let your emotions throw you off track. And now your fifth card. It's the bottom of the deck card. The underlying issues. This is what's unseen. Number 16 of the major arcana, the Tower. This can be an Aries or a Scorpio. The ruling planet is Mars. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Now this card represents a swift and dramatic change. Now the Chariot card with the Tower card, this is a micromanaging that can ruin a good thing. This is a sudden shock. Could also be accidents. This can be a defeat of false philosophies and the triumph of new ones. And what was achieved in your life up to this period. It just means you didn't have some understanding of the larger picture, so you made do with the smaller. This is a situation that will probably not work out according to your frame of reference. You need a more expanded vision. It's necessitating the destruction of the status quo. It can be a change in beliefs or values. It just represents the old ways are not worth trying anymore, and unseen forces are at work here. There has to be a rebuilding after a past event or relationship. This can be unpredicted events, a brand new direction in career. Because what you did not happen, what you expected did not happen. This can be an argument with partners. Now the Tower with the Ace of Pentacles, this is a doorway opening to new priorities. And the Ace of Pentacles with the Chariot, this is travel or vehicle documents. It's a progression and power to decide where this journey goes. Here's your advice from the Oracle deck. Trust Your Vibes by Sonia Choquette. Capricorn, you've got Accept the Gifts of the Universe. Card number 51. Accept the gifts of the universe. And you have a gift right here coming right at you. The Ace of Pentacles. Are you limiting yourself and what the universe is trying to bring you? Well, that could be the Four of Pentacles there. You are limiting yourself when you don't let loose. The universe will bring you all that you desire, but you must be able to accept what it brings. Many of us limit what we can receive because we feel unworthy, or we think that to receive so much would be selfish. Neither is true in the eyes of the universe, which will bring you as much as you allow. It is infinitely abundance, so receiving what you want is in no way limit others. One way to dispel these beliefs is to contemplate what you think might happen if you did realize your dreams. Do you uncover any anxieties or fears? Do you worry that you're asking too much? Do you imagine your wish, if fulfilled, might cause another injury or pain? Does bringing change into your life make you nervous? If you uncover any beliefs that are contrary or in conflict with your dreams, are you willing to trade them for more supportive ones? The question the universe asks is, how good can you stand it? Because that's as good as it gets. Thanks, you guys, Capricorn. I hope you stay tuned in and leave me a comment or a thumbs up, and please subscribe. Now remember, what goes around comes around, so I'm sending you out love and light and blessings. Thanks for watching.